an example of one of the maps that folks were making where they took different colors. You can see their key here. So different colors represented those different category options in the product category variable that we had. And then they just put a bead in each country from where to represent the data in their chart. So they looked through and if it had any one of those categories in that country, then they plotted a bead there. And what I want to share out is this is awesome and fantastic and a great way to visualize the data. But there are other options that we have when actually we also use the three-dimensional space. So here, let me zoom in a little bit as to what I did here is there were in fact two clothing shoe options that came in from China for this group. There were raincoats and shoes. So now I've got two pink beads here indicating that. So yes, we have our beads by color, by different category grouping, product category grouping, but we're also using the three-dimensional space to indicate quantity. So similarly here in Thailand, we had two kinds of accessories that were coming out. So each of those kinds of accessories were noted in that three-dimensional vertical space as well. And I just want to shout out that one, there's so many opportunities where we incorporated voice and choice and things like that into this activity, but also this opportunity to go vertical. And what was really interesting for me is we were in a room of social studies and a couple math teachers, and we were all flat in our visualizations. We gave them beads, we gave them sticky notes, and we gave them stickers, and everybody was flat on the map. And there is great opportunities to use all three dimensions, right? We have our longitude, we have our latitude for our X and our Y on graphs. And then if we're using manipulatives or different pieces, we can go vertically off of the map into that Z dimension and represent our data.